Okay, excuse the mess here, but I usually do a written review. Well, I'm going to do that, but I have a bedroom I use as a storage room and also a little home office, so excuse the mess. Part of the storage room is behind me. So, I just got this today. Comes in a little box, says mini camera. And of course, when it sold, it seems to me it listed a different gigabyte of SD card, but I seen somewhere where you can even go up to a 128, and I ordered this with that. And we're going to see how this does. These cams are supposed to be, BOBLOV cams are supposed to be pretty good, and I'll show you what this looks like, what this comes in. The Amazon box came in quite well packed. So it was a much bigger box than this thing is. So they did well packing it. It's and it comes with its own 64-bit micro SD card. So apparently they did not send an adapter, so I'd have to get an adapter for this. So, but it did list you can go up to a 128, and I ordered a 128, but 64 is generally, I guess, what they send with it. So, this BOBLOV. Now, I read online BOBLOV is supposed to be pretty good. Here's the instruction booklet. Mini body camera. User manual. I'll see how to set this up later. I'm going to start this out and then give it a few days to finish the video for you. Ooh. So it's a nice boxing here. And let's see. Oh yes, it's in there very well. So that's the actual cam itself. And looks like you can pull this out, and underneath is the USB cord. So I take it that's for transferring files and charging the battery, obviously. We'll see. So I'll set this aside for now, and I'll probably have to charge it right away. I don't know. I'll read up on this. So this came well packed. How they had it in there, it's really quite sturdy in the box. No room to jiggle around and cause damage. Yeah, that screw, somebody on one of the reviews mentioned that screw, if you have it facing outward, that it's more noticeable. I don't know if you can see that from the lighting in here. Yeah, now I turned it towards the lighting, so kind of hard to hide the camera with that. But believe it or not, I used black nail polish on some scratches on my car, and it does real well. So I think black nail polish covering that would definitely help it. So if you decide to use that side, so, and then here's where the screen is, and I'll have to see. It stated online you can rotate the camera to either side, so I'll take a look. We'll finish this review in a few days once I've gotten adjusted to this thing. Okay. Bye. Sorry about the mess.